Hey, I'm over here too. Oh man. Oh my, what is this going on here? What is this? It's like, my hair is like 5 different. Oh my gosh. I gotta take care of that. That's just uncalled for. I don't know what is that. Anyway, I started reading this book last night that I got like 2 weeks ago, advanced copy to review. And it's called Fragrant by Mandy Aftel. And it comes out, it's on sale tomorrow. It's on sale October 16th. And it's awesome. I can't wait. It's nonfiction. It's about fragrance and it's about sense of smell and fragrance. The person who wrote this, she's an artist and perfumer, and it's really good. I'm like actually surprised because I like nonfiction, but I usually read memoirs. And this is really cool. I don't know if if it's gonna look exactly like this when it comes out, when it's on the shelves, but I like it. It's really good. I recommend it. So far, I'm not even halfway through, but I like it. But I'm gonna try to get through it so I can review it. And this is Zelda.
Get out of my drawer.
She doesn't really have much of an interest in me.
Or anything.
Or anything.
She's the odd child.
She's only looking at me because my face is there. Like, that's pretty much how it works. Okay, it's the next day, and I finished that book, and it's really, really good, and I recommend it. It should have came out today. I think is when it's supposed to hit shelves today. And I don't know. I meant to have a more substantial video, but I'm constantly tired and having issues with depression. Fine. I got the book courtesy of Goodreads. I won it. On a free copy. And then you review it. And my hair is multicolored. And it's very weird. A purple haze in the middle stayed though. That's very strange. Poor thing.
Time to go back to the cage and that is freedom. Probably pooped in every drawer and corner in the house.
He probably didn't poop in the drawer.
Chomp.
You know, he's never done that to me. My toes are different though.
He likes biting my toes.
He knows what faces are. Well, human faces, that is. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Boom.
Zelda. Besides being weird.
She thought I was giving something food. She heard the food noise. Get off me.
Come here, Abby. Come here.
No.
You get some living from here. It just dropped Zelda. Like she cares. Mwah. Ow.
What are you doing to my dog?
It's Zelda. Abby's just sitting here chilling. It's Zelda, the one that's being a weirdo. What is this?
Your dog.
Yeah, but what's the purpose of that
Taking my
position?
attention.
Oh yeah, Goodreads. Okay, so I have a few more books for them. I got like 8 more of them that I have to review. Some of them, not every book that you can win from Goodreads is a new book. Like right now, I know one of the books that you can win is The Notebook by Nicholas Sparks, and that's obviously not a new book. But some of them are new or not even released yet. But that was not a sentence. But so I'm getting back into reading. I have so many books. I'm finally getting back into the whole thing of reading, which is actually pretty good for me, I think. And I think that my next subject is going to be about weight, because I've obviously went back and forth. But that's it for now because I can't think of anything to say without writing it down first. Okay. Bye. Please. Oh man, she's cold.